OnePlus 9R versus the Realme GT. So in this video, I'll give you a clear-cut opinion about which mobile you have to choose. So let's start with the display comparison. This OnePlus 9R mobile comes with a slightly bigger 6.55 inches of 120Hz refresh rate HDR10 plus certified fluid AMOLED display. But this Realme GT mobile comes with a 6.4 inches of slightly smaller display, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED HDR10 plus content certified display. So it comes to you personal preferences which mobile to choose according to the display size, and there is nothing much difference in the display section. And let's move on to the process section. When we take a look at the process, this OnePlus 9R mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is a octa-core 5G processor. With this Realme GT mobile also comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5nm based 5G octa-core gaming processor, and is also a 5G processor. When we talk about the 5G bands, this will give you a clear-cut idea. This mobile comes with just 2 bands of 5G. This mobile comes with almost 7 bands of 5G. These two mobiles are available in 8GB RAM 128GB and 12GB RAM 256GB variants, but this OnePlus 9R mobile will be available in UFS 3.1 storage capacity with the LPDDR4X RAM type. With this Realme GT mobile comes with a UFS 3.1 storage capacity with LPDDR5 RAM type. So the Snapdragon 888, UFS 3.1 and LPDDR5 RAM type, this will make this mobile a killer combination for gaming mobile. And when we talk about the cameras, this is a major section which we have to take a clear look. This Realme GT mobile comes with a triple camera setup at the back side, 64 megapixels of main wide angle, 8 megapixels of secondary ultra wide, and 2 megapixels of third macro cameras. This OnePlus 9R mobile comes with a quad cameras, 48 megapixels of main wide angle, 16 megapixels of ultra wide, and 5 megapixels of macro, and 2 megapixels of depth cameras. So we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with these two mobiles back cameras. For the front, these two mobiles come with the same 16 megapixels of front-facing selfie cameras with which can be shoot up to 1080p 60 fps. And when we talk about the batteries, this is also same. These two mobiles come with a 4500 mAh of battery cell with 65 watts of fast charge support, because these two mobiles are made completely with a glass and metal. Back glass, front glass, and metal frame. So these two mobiles are also available in different colors, two colors. I will list the colors with the buying links in the description box down below. So if you're watching the video until now, I think you may like my channel, so you can subscribe my channel by hitting that red color subscribe button, and you can also like the video by hitting that like button in the down below. And when we talk about the other features, like this OnePlus 9R comes with a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1, where this Realme GT comes with a Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features, which are top of the line. And these two mobiles comes with the stereo speakers, but this mobile does not have a 3.5mm jack, where this Realme GT mobile comes with a 3.5mm jack. When we talk about the operating system, this OnePlus 9R mobile comes with the Oxygen OS 11 with Android version 11. With this Realme GT mobile comes with the Realme UI 2.0 with the Android version 11. And when we talk about the pricing, this Realme GT mobile and this OnePlus 9R comes with a different kind of price range. But if you want to choose one mobile, I will choose, let me tell you in the later part of this video. Let's first take a look at the prices. This OnePlus 9R mobile priced at the base variant 39,918, almost 40,000. This Realme GT mobile was priced at 34,000 rupees for the base variant. But if you ask me, there is a lot 7,000 rupees of price difference between these two mobiles. But if you ask me, does the OnePlus 9R worth the 7,000 rupees of paying extra if I choose the OnePlus 9R? Yes, it does. Because Realme UI comes a lot of bloatware in this Realme GT mobile. Because I am saying this after watching a lot of unboxing videos and reviews about this Realme GT mobile. So for the conclusion is, the final conclusion of the video is, if you want a clean UI with no bloatware, any kind of bloatware, then definitely choose this one. And if you can okay with some of the bloatware apps, and if you want killer gaming performance in budget, in 33,000 rupees budget, this mobile is best for you. So that's the video, and my name is Gt. So subscribe to the channel and keep waiting for notifications and other videos.